What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is my mom's birthday, so we're about to have a celebration. Not real big, just a little one between me and one other brother. So gonna bring you guys along. I don't know if I'm over. I don't know how I'm gonna put this content together, but I'm gonna try to make a real quick video of today. So let's get it. Welcome back, guys. I am finally using my GoPro stick. I have lost the clip. Like, there's a top portion on there. There's a top portion on there that secures it, and yeah, I don't know what happened. It just like came off, and I finally found it when I got back to town, and I guess I can use this again. I think it's still kind of broke because it just kind of like jiggle.
My money don't jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle, for sure. Make you wanna dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact, no slack.
Jiggle and fold. I don't even know how that song goes, but regardless, yeah. So I am actually on the way to get my mom's cake. It is still her birthday today of this filming, and she did not want me to come over here. She wanted me to just stay home, but then she wouldn't have a cake on her birthday, and it is pretty far to drive for a cake. I was gonna try to knock two birds out with one stone and try to work a little bit of Instacart while I did this, but that's not gonna work out today. It's just pretty late already, so I'm about to come over here, and the cake does need to be cooled, so that's a downfall to, like, I can't just buy it and drive around with it. And really, I don't think there's any cake you can do that with, because it'll just melt. It's hot. It's like 88 degrees out right now, so I don't know what this jiggling is. It sounds like change in the cup holder, but it's not. I don't know what the fuck it is, but either way, guys, yeah, I'm on the way over here to get this cake. I might bring you guys into the store. I'm not necessarily that comfortable vlogging just yet out in public. I do it. Obviously, I'm kind of like doing it right now, unless there's cars driving by me, and I'm driving by cars. Just got my phone lost in the abyss, but so yeah. What the fuck is that noise, bro? Alright, guys, I got the cake, as you guys can see back there, and it's dead in the fucking sun. You know, it's crazy. I know we brought cakes back before from nothing, and this is from Nothing But Bunk Cake, which I do recommend them, but they kind of did make me a little bit upset today, because I asked for a box. Like, the box that's back there is not the box they provided, but I asked for an actual cake box just for storage reasons after the fact, and they weren't for it. So they were like, no. And I even said, can I pay for one? And she's like, no, I can't do that either. And I'm like, ugh. Like, is there anything I can do? And she said, no, unfortunately, I just can't give you a box. And I'm like, damn, like, I just spent this money with you motherfuckers. Like, I don't know, that just rubbed me the wrong way. And maybe that's me being entitled, thinking I deserve a box, but it just makes sense. Like, it's wrapped in plastic. Like I said, the box that thing is sitting in right now is the box that was already in the car that was taken to recycle. Yeah, I just didn't like that. And then she told me that it should last about 20 to 30 minutes in the car. Well, I gotta drive an hour just to get back home. And I know we brought cakes before, so I don't know if that's actually true, but I need to stop by Walmart too and get some candles. Yeah, and I think the only issue is that the icing on there is cream cheese. So it looks like we about to have some upset stomachs, because yeah, I'm trying to head to Walmart, and yeah, I mean, I got the air on. I'm not gonna ride with the windows down today when I normally would about this time, because it's starting to cool off. Actually, no, it's not. It's 88. So I mean, I'm gonna have the air on, so maybe it won't be a bad thing. But I'm about to leave the air on and go into the store, especially at a fucking Walmart. Like, come back out, the whole damn cake. The whole damn reason I came over here is gone. Like, yeah, I care about the car too, but fuck that. That shit can be replaced with insurance. People stealing cars all day. But I just don't want to make it easy for a motherfucker. So we ain't gonna do it. So anyway, yeah, I got the cake. It's a princess cake. I thought it could make my mom feel youthful. I don't know. Like, hopefully she likes it. I thought it was kind of funny, and then just I make her feel like a little girl again. I don't know. But I even asked the girl on the phone, or a woman, I don't really know. She sounded young. I said, is it juvenile to get a grown woman a princess cake? She's like, well, it depends on the person. They might like it, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, okay, I think either way, the cake is gonna be good. And if the decorations don't meet standards, then past today I won't think about it until I look at this video and edit it, I guess. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here. Trying to make it to the store, so I'll get back with you guys just in a little bit. Stay breezy, stay easy, and if it ain't cheesy, I don't know. I'll just cut that shit out. All right, guys, I'll be back. It's a princess. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mama. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Oh, that's not how we do it, is it, mama? Happy birthday. Oh, he hit it though. Thank you. Okay. Yay! Finally got the cake, you guys. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Why you shaking so damn hard?
I don't know how to keep it.
There we go.
Is it gonna shock me?
No.
Can it though?
I mean, possibly. Have it to you. It's not gonna get you. I thought you meant if you touched it. You're fine. Don't drop it. Trust it. Trust me. See? There you go. That's good.
Okay. Oh, this one's bigger.
Yeah, it looks a little bit bigger.
It's gonna get me.
No, it's not. You'll be okay. It won't hurt you that bad, I promise you. Watch. Watch. See?
Is it here?
No.
Can I get it out by moving around so much?
No, not sparklers. Well, be careful though. Don't put it too far above your head so it doesn't touch your hair.
How about this?
I know, but you still had it up a little high. Last one, guys.
Wait.
Be careful. That's what I'm saying. Don't have it above your head. Never know what a firework might do. There you go. And the show is over until later this week. All right, guys, that's going to be it for right now. And then we're going to get back later this week with some more sparklers and probably some fireworks that we can shoot into the sky. We'll see. Say bye.
Bye-bye.